Hello, students. Welcome to our online classes. I hope that all of you are doing good. Today, we started chapter 6 from class 6, Urban Administration. This is part 2 from the same chapter. In the previous class, we discussed about the three local governing bodies at urban local government are municipal corporations, municipal council, and nagar panchayat. So in the previous class we already discussed about municipal corporation, which is a local body which look after the administration of big cities. The big cities means the cities with a population of 10 lakh or more. In this module, we will discuss about municipal council. Municipal council is also known as Nagar Palika and municipal corporation Nagar Nigam. Let's start today's module. Municipal council or committee. So, council operates a small cities and towns which are divided into wards like municipal corporation. The members of municipal council elect from themselves the chairman and the deputy chairman. The several committees such as education committee, public health committee are formed to coordinate the working of municipal council. So municipal council is composed of three parts: the elected council, chairman, and CEO. So, the chief executive officer is the administrative head of municipal council. He, along with officers like engineers, sanitary inspectors, health officers, and education officers who come from the state public service, is appointed by state government to control the administrative affairs of the municipal council. Now, what are the functions of municipal council or municipal committee? So, the functions of municipal corporation and municipal council are almost same. Like public and health sanitation, the maintenance of public health and sanitation, and the provision of free vaccination to small children, and taking measure to control epidemics, as well as maintenance of public hospitals are done by municipal corporation and municipal councils. Registration of birth and death. The municipal corporation and municipal council maintain records of both birth and death in their areas and issues certificates for the same. Water and electricity. Providing water and electricity to the public is one of their most important functions. Municipal council arrange for wells to be dug, construct overhead tanks for storage of water, and the network of water pipe is also laid for supplying water from house to house. Now, education and sport facilities. It is the duty of municipal council to build and maintain schools at all levels, as well as maintain public libraries, orphanages, sport grounds. And also they perform miscellaneous functions like fire services, road construction, slum developments. So these are the functions of public council, municipal council. So what is the difference between municipal corporation and municipal council? Municipal corporation are meant for big cities and municipal council is meant for smaller cities. The head of municipal council is mayor. The head of municipal council is chairman or president. It has more power and source of revenue. And municipal council has less power and source of revenue. It deals with the state government directly, and municipal council deals with the state government indirectly through district administration. So this is all about the difference between municipal corporation and municipal council. Municipal corporation Nagar Nigam and municipal council is Nagar Palika. Nagar Panchayat. Nagar Panchayat or city councils are formed to govern areas which are transition from rural to urban areas. These areas under the process of development, the need of people in these areas do not quite match with the either the rural areas or urban areas. So the constitution of Nagar Panchayat is prepared in same way as municipal corporation or municipal council. What are the functions of Nagar Panchayat? Nagar Panchayat look after the maintenance of road, providing sanitation and water supply, building schools, primary and vocational education centers. It also provides housing and healthcare facilities, maintenance of public parks and buildings, and recording birth and death rate in Nagar Panchayat areas. Now, what are the main sources of income for Nagar Panchayat? The grant received from state government, property tax and sale tax and fair tax. All the municipal corporation in India have a department for solid waste management. So waste was disposed of by creating landfills, but now the solid waste is converted into organic manure. And many non-governmental organizations, NGOs, are also recycling city waste into productive goods such as bags and rugs. So this is all about this chapter. A district or a jilla is very important unit of administration in some semi-urban areas. Nagar Panchayat is a local self-governing body. The local self-governing bodies in urban areas are municipal council and municipal corporation. The city is divided into number of wards, and the head of municipal corporation is mayor, who is elected by councillors, and the municipal corporation collect tax in various forms from people, and municipal council operates in small cities and towns which are divided into wards. So this is the summary of this chapter. Thank you, students. Stay home, be safe.